What's up, y'all? It's Victoria, aka the Baby Skunky, and I'm showing y'all how to make the Alfredo spaghetti pasta today. I got it from TikTok. So you can get all your ingredients from Kroger's, Walmart, Save-A-Lot, Piggly Wiggly. Do we even still got a Piggly Wiggly? Anyways, let me show y'all how to make this pasta. So we're gonna put up some ground beef in there, right? We already chopped up the onions and bell peppers. The bell pepper's under it. I don't know if you can see it or not. I wash my hands. We got the bell peppers and onions. I'm finna brown up some ground beef. We're not gonna use all of it because my brother, he like to make burgers. So we're gonna leave him some ground beef and make him some burgers. Gonna chop it up real good, okay? We don't want no clumps in it, like, you know, like real big pieces of, you know, chunky ground beef. You can if you like it like that, but I don't like it like that. I know my dad, he like a lot of meat. And that's just my dad.
But your dad also don't eat red meat.
He don't, but he gonna have to eat it today. And if he don't eat it today, he won't be eating at all. We're gonna take out all our ingredients that we're gonna use.
What are all of your ingredients?
We got heavy whipping cream, some butter, some minced garlic. We got chunky ragu, tomato, garlic, and onion sauce, right?
Mm-hmm.
We got 5 roasted diced tomatoes, the onions and bell peppers, butter, minced garlic. We got some Parmesan cheese. And we got some Italian style cheese. My dad is Italian. Well, he think he's Italian. So I'm Italian. They make us both Italian. I don't have no specific seasoning. You know, we just mix up some stuff here. So we got some garlic powder. I'm gonna put some garlic powder in there. We got some onion powder. If you ain't putting garlic powder and onion powder on everything, something's wrong with you. We got some Italian seasoning, some black pepper, and all-purpose seasoning. As Big Skunky would say, that's the sizzle of love. Now, we're gonna dump our onions and bell peppers over in it. We're gonna mix that in. Get your onions and bell peppers all softened up. I'm gonna add some more stuff in here. There we go. Cause now we're gonna drain it. I'm gonna drain it. We got that bowl under there, so we won't clog up the sink. I don't need Skunky yelling at me because I done clogged up somebody's sink. So now we're gonna rinse off the 5 roasted tomatoes, okay? And we're gonna open it up. We're gonna rinse that off. We got the 5 roasted tomatoes. I'm gonna put some of that in there. The ragu chunky, we're gonna shake it up. We're just gonna pour enough. Put it in there. You don't need a lot of garlic, just a little bit. And then we're just gonna mix it in. And add more tomato sauce and 5 roasted tomatoes as you want to your liking. I saw this on TikTok and they make it look so good. So we're gonna try it and see. We're gonna get a pot and we're gonna fill it up with water. In 1 second. Alright, we got our pot of water right here. Some salt in here. So the noodles won't stick to each other or the pot. And I don't know if this is true or not, but I heard about putting a little oil in there too. I'm gonna put a little oil in there. I don't know why. I think it's because the noodles won't stick. Just gonna put a little bit. Just a little bit. I be saying my mama break them, but I saw on TV that if you break spaghetti noodles to cook them around a Italian, they get mad. But we're gonna break them anyways. Hold on, wait.
Hey, lady, what you doing? You breaking the noodles, huh?
We gotta get them in a pot, sir.
Hey, what? Don't break the noodle, lady.
Italians get really mad. I don't know why. So weird to me. It's just the noodle, right? Here we use the same strainer we use for the meat because we're gonna mix it anyways. These my noodles. Okay, so right now I'm making the Alfredo sauce. I use some butter, let the butter melt. I put some minced garlic in it. Put some heavy whipping cream. And that's what it's doing right now. It's thickening up for the Alfredo sauce. Still kind of runny. So we're gonna let this sizzle some more. I put some Parmesan cheese in it also. We got our meat sauce done. It's real good. Got the meat sauce. Yeah. This homemade Alfredo sauce. Homemade. Now who you know doing it like me? You don't know nobody doing it like me. We got the pan. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix the Alfredo with the noodles. Put it in the pan, then put the meat sauce. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so our sauce is thickening up. So we're gonna let this sit on the eye real quick. So while we doing that, we're gonna put some spaghetti noodles in here. Okay. Look at this sauce. So creamy. Yeah. Homemade, baby. We're gonna pour some of the sauce in here. Get you some tongs. Just mix it up. Mix. Oh, look at that. Need some more noodles. Just gonna drop some noodles in there and keep mixing. I wish y'all could smell this right now. It smells so good. Make you want to slap your mama.
I wish a motherfucker would.
I get my cooking from my mama and dad because both of them know how to throw down. Trust me.
Who better, your mom or your dad?
I'm still alive, right?
Well, this is what I'm going to say. I think my husband cooks better than me. But because I cook more dishes, I'm a better cook.
Ooh. What you got to say to that, big skunky?
Thought y'all believe this shit. Y'all seen what?
No, I said you a better cook, but since I cook more dishes.
She tried to say she cooked more dishes than me. Hey, look.
I do.
How about this, y'all? Look, I know this is my daughter's show today, but look, how about this? Me and my wife is going to have a cook-off. I'm going to let her pick what meal she wants me to cook. And she can cook whatever meal she want to cook. And I'm going to let y'all be the judge of it. You want to do that?
Yeah.
You want to do that for the people? Huh?
Lasagna is our dish.
Lasagna.
Oh, she finna kick your butt.
Really? Lasagna?
Okay, so.
How did you make that again? Tell them how you made it again.
So we put some butter in the pot, right? We let that melt. Put some garlic in there. We're gonna let that little sizzle for like 10 seconds. Then we put some heavy whipping cream in there. We stir it up till it get all thick and creamy. Then we put some Parmesan cheese. That's the secret recipe right there, that Parmesan cheese. Y'all ain't messing with it. I promise y'all ain't messing with it. If y'all want some baby skunky sauce, let me know. Let me know. Cause that baby skunky sauce, you ain't messing with it. I can, ooh wee.
Did you watch her cook this? She didn't put no breast milk in there, did you?
No. She just had my first grandbaby, y'all.
Go show her a picture of him. I ain't had a grandbaby. She had the grandbaby. I'm the grandma.
They don't know what I put in here because they weren't in the kitchen when I was making. So the breast milk might be the secret recipe.
I'm going to Popeyes.
I'm just playing. She like I'm going to Popeyes. Not the Popeyes.
Yes, the Popeyes.
look, we're gonna.
You need some help?
No, I got this. We're gonna sit there right there, right?
Now, where did you get this recipe from?
TikTok. TikTok got all the good recipes. It's some more stuff that I want to cook, y'all. I think I'm like my mama. I don't know how to cook small portions for real. Do I?
Why would you cook small portions when you got such a big skunk?
She about to get her ass whooped, y'all. No, you ain't cute.
Yes, I am.
She's like, yes, I am. This is where we put our Italian style cheese on top.
The Italian style?
The Italian style.
All right. The Italian style.
Look how good she looks. She just had a baby 7 days ago.
7 days ago, baby. You can't even tell.
You got a little stomach. I see it a little bit.
Yeah, I got a little stomach.
But it's all good.
It's all good because we're going to sprinkle some of that cheese on top.
That Italian cheese.
The Italian style. We love cheese, like Big Skunky said. We love cheese.
I thought skunks eat nuts or something. He dried up everything.
Alright, that's how you do it, y'all. Y'all gonna put it in the oven for like 15-20 minutes. Let that cheese get all melted and crispy brown on the edges. Alright, it's coming up out the oven, y'all. It look good, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all ready for the dig in? I'm gonna let it go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy.
It look good, Tori.
Hey y'all. Click that like button, click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to Skunky Farms LLC already. Click that bell so you get notified anytime Big Skunky posts. Ooh.
Oh man.
We're gonna top it off. How
many
many you want?
Just one.
Just one. We're gonna top it off with garlic bread. Ooh, he ready to eat.
How you see it, baby? And you tell them I said that. Hashtag that. Big Skunky. You smell me. Hi, people.